Hello, my name is Coordinate Axis, and I want to tell you in details how to set up your computer so that you're having a perfect graphics in games. So I will tell you about how to make perfect graphics by telling you steps of how to achieve this goal. So let's start from the step number 1, from the lowest level, so to say, and this level is motherboard. The problem is people thinking they must use dual channel memory, but this is very wrong. So that's the step number 1. Never use dual channel or any other more than one amount of channels. A lot of people advising to other people to use dual channel configuration, and even by buying the computer in the shop, highly likely the memory will be in dual channel mode. This is wrong, and now I will show how is right to do. So this is motherboard, general motherboard. They all looking the same, so to say. Almost all motherboards having a lot of slots for memory modules, and all motherboards having single channel mode as well to other variations, other options. So single channel mode is one of few configurations which motherboard is having. For example, you can put one module here and one module here. It will be dual channel mode. But this is unfortunately a big problem to do so, because the image which you see on the monitor will be with noise. The image will be intolerable to look at. You will tire to see such image, and the reason why is because two channels is wrong thing. In dual channel mode, the image is like two things, and your eyes not made to see such a thing. So therefore you should use single channel mode, which is usually these slots, very left one and next to it. But it's not always so, so sometimes it needs to look at a manual to be sure which slots are made for single channel mode. For example, I have seen situation when two right slots are for single channel mode. So pay attention to this moment. Main idea is to configure motherboard so that it works in single channel mode. It will give you comfortable natural image on which you can look forever, so to say. That's the example, that's the photo of how it looks like in real life, the single channel mode. Two left slots are taken by modules. The thing is, you not must use two modules. You can use only one slot. It will be still single channel mode. This case is just when you having two modules, because often you buying memory in package, two modules in one price. So you can't sometimes to buy just one module. In this situation, just use both of them in single channel mode. It is equal from the point of view of motherboard. One module here or two modules. It will be just more memory from the point of view of computer. Single channel mode is like one memory, just like you're in head, you're having one memory. That's lowest level, that's the first step to make graphics in games perfect. So just open the case of your computer, make sure you have single channel configuration, because probably you will have dual channel mode. When you're done this, you can go to the second step. The second step is you must install your operating system in a right, so to say, configuration. Just like memory, there is wrong way to install your operating system. Today is very popular to use secure way of installing operating system. And to do so, to do the wrong one installation, you should select UEFI scheme for your installer, and in BIOS you will set secure loading way. So to install this wrong option, first thing you making the installation in UEFI scheme, and second step you setting in BIOS the secure way of loading. That's the wrong way, because by doing so your computer will work slow. Your operating system will work with lags. So the second step of setting your computer for a perfect graphics in games is to install the operating system with these settings. And in BIOS you must choose legacy mode. In simple words, this is old method for operating system. But no matter that this is old, this is the right method. To install operating system. If your operating system installed differently, unfortunately you will must format your drive and install clean installation with this configuration. After you've done this, you will have fast computer. So that was two hardest steps in the task of setting up the computer for showing amazing graphics in games. So, and last steps are about software. Third step is to set OpenGL engine as your graphic card. Fourth step is to set physics engine as your graphic card. And the last step, fifth, is to open GeForce Experience window, register yourself, log in, so that you are logged in. When you opened this window, you will see in all games the message in upper right corner that this game is using overlay by GeForce Experience. This overlay will add effects. Keep this window opened, because when you closing it, this message will stop to be there, and this overlay will not be anymore in game. That's pretty much all what needs to be done so that the graphics in games is amazing. So we can look at some game at the end.
Apes are just another band of